So today our topic is adductor compartment of thigh. Adductor compartment means medial compartment को adductor compartment बोलते हैं. So in the adductor region we have 5 muscles. Okay. Dissection already we have done in the posterior region as well as the anterior region. तो skin flap तो यहाँ पे हट गई है. अगर हम adductor compartment की बात करें तो main nerve of the adductor compartment is obturator nerve. Okay. So if we talking about the muscles of adductor compartment, so you can see here, this muscle is the sartorius muscle. From medial part of the sartorius muscle, we can easily identify the muscles of adductor compartment. First muscle you can see here, this is the adductor longus muscle. So as we have already studied in our femoral triangle class, adductor longus which forms the medial border of the femoral triangle. So this is the medial border of the adductor longus. So you can observe here, this is the adductor longus, and always remember adductor longus which takes origin from the anterior of body of the pubis, and it insert over the upper 1/3 part of medial part of linea aspera. This is the adductor longus, and this muscle is supplied by the obturator nerve. Okay. Then after the adductor longus, you can see here, just below the adductor longus, you can see here another small muscle lies beneath this muscle, and this muscle is known as the adductor brevis muscle. As the adductor brevis, as the name shows, you can see it, brevis means small, longus which is indicate for long. So you can observe over here, this muscle is long, so this muscle is known as the adductor longus. And beneath this muscle, here we have a small muscle, and this muscle is known as the adductor brevis, longus and brevis. Similarly, this brevis also takes origin from the inferior ramus, ischiopubic ramus, as well as the body, and it insert over the this line which is present above to the medial this linea aspera. Okay, so this is the adductor brevis. Same nerve supplies this muscle also. This is obturator nerve. After the longus and brevis, you can see here another muscle, and this muscle is known as gracilis. Gracilis takes origin from multiple areas, anterior to the body of the pubis, inferior ischiopubic ramus, and this gracilis insert over the
Medial side of the thigh and upper end of the tibial.
Upper end of the tibia, upper part of the tibia, just near to the sartorius. Okay. So this is the gracilis muscle. Okay. Always remember, gracilis muscle is supplied by the obturator nerve. Okay. Then here, this is the gracilis, this is the longus, brevis, and just anterior to the longus, here we can see the pectineus muscle. Always remember, pectineus muscle also forms the floor of the femoral triangle. So here we have a pectineus muscle. Okay. Then after the gracilis and pectineus, here you can see the large muscle, and this muscle is known as the magnus muscle. Adductor magnus. Adductor magnus has 2 fibers. One is adductor, another is hamstring fiber. Okay? And this adductor magnus also takes origin from the lateral part of the ischial tubercle, the ischiopubic ramus, and thus hamstring part which insert over the medial part of the linea aspera, and adductor part insert over the adductor tubercle. And this magnus muscle is supplied by 2 nerves, obturator as well as the
Sciatic nerve.
tibial part of sciatic nerve. So we have seen 5 muscle in the adductor region, that is the adductor longus, brevis. Anterior to this muscle we have a pectineus, gracilis, adductor magnus.